Welcome to Reach.
We're a community-based art center in urban Lansing.
We have classes and programs for kids.
And adults.
Like all the cool things that happen in our clay studio.
And we're making our clay studio better, modern, easier to get in and out.
We need to raise $45,000. And if we do it, our community foundation will match it. Please help us reach our goal. Donate now.
Here's what you're gonna help us do. First, we're gonna level the floor with the ground outside so that it's even. Then, we're gonna add a ramp so that it's ADA approved and accessible for everyone.
Your gift will help us install a new system that manages dust and makes our space cleaner and look even better.
But we can't do any of this without you.
So please give and give generously because Reach is so important.
Everyone fits in here because Reach is family.
Reach builds community.
Reach is community.
So give generously and help us give new life to our clay studio.
Give now so that we can make new opportunities for people like me.
And me.
And me.
And me!